Section 7. Engines of Commerce, the impact on global trade. The impact of jet engines extends far beyond passenger travel. These powerful machines have also revolutionized global trade, facilitating the rapid and efficient transportation of goods across vast distances. Jet-powered cargo planes transport everything from electronics and clothing to perishable goods and medical supplies, connecting businesses and consumers worldwide. The speed and efficiency of air freight have transformed supply chains, enabling just-in-time delivery and supporting global commerce on an unprecedented scale. Jet engines have played a pivotal role in the growth of international trade, boosting economies and fostering global interdependence. They have made the world smaller, connecting markets and facilitating the exchange of goods and services like never before. Section 8. Greener Skies, the future of jet engine technology. As we look to the future, the aviation industry faces the challenge of reducing its environmental impact. Jet engines, while marvels of engineering, contribute to greenhouse gas emissions and noise pollution. However, the quest for greener skies is well underway. Engineers and scientists are constantly working on innovations to make jet engines more fuel-efficient and environmentally friendly. Advanced engine designs, lighter materials, and sustainable aviation fuels are just some of the solutions being explored to reduce the carbon footprint of air travel. The future of jet engine technology promises a balance between performance and sustainability, ensuring that we can continue to explore our world while minimizing our impact on the planet. Section 9. Conclusion: the enduring legacy of jet engines. From the Wright brothers' first flight to the sleek jets of today, the journey of aviation has been one of constant innovation and progress. At the heart of this journey lies the jet engine, a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of technological advancement. Jet engines have shrunk our world, connecting people and places in ways unimaginable just a century ago. They have transformed travel, boosted global commerce, and brought the world closer together. As we look to the future, the legacy of the jet engine will continue to shape how we explore our world. With ongoing innovation and a commitment to sustainability, these powerful machines will continue to connect us, propel us forward, and inspire us to reach for the sky.